Hello, amazing people. Good evening to you all. I am so excited that you are here today. Welcome to today's live class with me, Courage. I am so excited because today we are going to make fraction fun and super easy. Yes, fraction can actually be simple when you know the right tricks. Before we start, I want you to do something for me. Grab a notebook and pencil so you can follow along and solve the problem with me. And don't forget, this is a live session. So comment, ask question, and tell me where you get stuck. I am here to help you learn step by step. If you are ready to become a fraction master, type ready in the comment section. And don't forget to share this live. Share it around to get to all parents with children in school. Now, see you there. Let's go. Now, we have 8 questions on the board. And these 8 questions, they comes in different ways. So we are going to take it step by step so you know how to solve it. Number 1, we have simple addition. 2, we have simple subtraction. Number 3, we have addition with different denominators. Then number 4, we have subtraction with different denominators. 5, we have multiplication of fractions. And 6, we have division of fractions. Then we have number 7, mixed numbers addition. And lastly, we have mixed numbers subtraction. Now, we are going to take it step by step. Let's go. Now, remember that during the last live section, I said that any number that have the same denominator, you have to leave it like that. So we do number 1 here, which is 1/4 plus 2/4, because these two sum, they have the same denominators. What do? It will still remain 4. So we have equal to 1 plus 2 will give you 3. 3/4. Can you see that? That is just easy. Now, we are going to run to number 2. Number 2 question is the same with number 1 question, but the difference is there is subtraction sign here. So what you do is just subtract 5/6 minus 1/6. What do you have here? 5 minus 1 will give you 4/6. It still remains 6 because they have the same denominators. Now, this is 4/6. I hope you are taking down note. If you are taking down note, please, I want you to comment yes in the comment section and grab it smoothly, because after this life, your child will not remain the same again. Now, let's take number 3. Number 3, we have 2/3 plus 1/4. This is where it becomes a little bit tricky. You can see that they have different denominators. So when a fraction has different denominators, we are going to take it a little bit different. What do you have to do here? You have to find the lowest common multiple of these two numbers. How do you find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4? So we have to find it this way. This is the easiest way you can do it. You write your 3 here, you write your 4 here. Look for the number that can divide these two. Which number can go here? Which number can go here is 3. Which number can go here is 2. So what do we do now? We have to go with 2 first because 2 is the lowest number. So we do 2 and 3. It will not go. It will still remain 3. 2 and 1, 2 and 4 will give you 2. So we still have 2 here. So we have to use 2 to divide again. So 2 and 3, it will not go. You drop your 3 here. 2 and 2 will give you 1. So what do we do again? Since this is 1 now, we have to divide with 3. 3 can be divisible by 3. 3 by 3 will give you 1. 3 by 1 will give you 1. So the lowest common multiple of these two numbers is this times this times this, which is 2 times 2 times 3. It will give you what? 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3 will give you 12. This is the lowest common multiple. You can also do 3 times 4 immediately to get your 12. So since we have 12, what do we do now? We have to go with 12. Since we have 12, we are going to go with 12. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 will give you what? 4. 2 times 4 will give you 8. 12 divided by 4 will give you 3. 1 times 3 will give you what? 3. So we still have our denominator as 12. So we have 8 plus 3, which will give us what? 11. 11 over 12. Can you see 12 and 11? No, we cannot see 12 and 11. And these numbers cannot be divisible. If you know what we can do to that number, please comment in the comment section. But if you don't know, don't worry. We will still know it at the end of today. We are going to leave this number like this. The answer is 11 over 12. Now, let's head to number 3. I hope you are getting fun. You are having fun with this math, but we are going to continue. We progress to number 4. We are going to do the same thing we did in number 3, but we are going to use subtraction method. We are going to use subtraction method. I hope you are having fun. If you are having fun, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Excuse me. Now let's continue with what we have. Now we have here number 4. We have to clean this. Now number 4, we have 7 over 8 minus 3 over 5. What do we do? They have different denominators. So we have to find their lowest common multiple. Let's do the same thing we did again. Now this is 5 and this is 8. So we can't go just rush to 5. We are going to look for a number that can be divisible by 2, which is 8. So we start with 8. 2 divided by 5 will not go. You drop your 5. 2 by 8 will give you 4. 2 by 5 is not possible. You drop your 5. 2 by 4 will give you 2. Then again, we come again. 2 by 5 will give you 5. 2 by 2 will give you 1. Since we are in 1, we have to use 5 now. 5 in 5 will give you 1. 5 in 1 will give you 1. So what do we do here? We have to multiply this. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 5 will give us what? 40. And you can also do 8 times 5, which is 40. So the lowest common multiple that you can use as the denominator is 40. Now, let's go. Now, what we are doing here is 7, we are using 40. 40 divided by 8 will give you 5. 7 times 5 we give you 75. 7 times 5 we give you 35. Sorry, 35 over. Now 40 divided by 5 we give you what? 8. So 3 times 8 we give you what? 24. So if we have this 35 minus 24 over 40, which is the denominator. So 35 minus 24, what will it be? Guys, check. 35 minus 24 will give us 11. So we write 11 over 40. So can these two be divisible? Can it be divisible? No. How many times will you see 40 and 11? Can you see 40 in 11? If you can see 40 in 11, please comment. If you cannot see 40 in 11, hold on. Guys, now, can you see 40 in 11? If you can see 40 in 11, good luck. If you cannot see 40 in 11, let's hold on and see what happens. Yay! I don't think we can see 40 in 11. So we leave our answer at 11 over 40. The same thing happened here, and we leave our answer at that. That is the same thing that happened here too. Our answer is 11 over 40. If you like this strategy, thumbs up and comment. Drop your comment in the comment section. Tell me where you are getting hooked up. Now let's progress. We are moving to number 5, which is multiplication. We have 2 over 5 times 3 over 4. Now, what do we do when it is multiplication? We just do top times top, bottom times bottom. So top times top, which is 2 times 3, we give you 6. 5 times 4, we give you 20. You have to simplify it to the lowest term. 2 here, we give you 3. 2 here, we give you 10. Can anything go in here again? I don't think so. 3 can divide 3, but 3 cannot divide 10. So, and you cannot see 10 in 3 is not possible. So your answer remains 3 over 10. Guys, if you like this strategy, say yes in the comment section. Let's continue. We are moving ahead. No time. Make sure you are taking down your note, because when your child will come back from school with an assignment, you can face the challenge and explain to him or her, and he will get it. After this life lesson today, your child will not remain the same. Let's proceed to number 6. Number 6, we have division. We have division. How do we do division? We have 3 over 7 divided by 2 over 6. Guys, I will pause here. Then I would like you to comment in the comment section. Comment if you are having fun with this math. Comment yes. And you can also support this live by sending stars. If you have not followed this page, you can follow this page. This is Courage Lab. Follow this page, support us from what we are doing, and you will be blessed. As we are proceeding to division, addition, and the last one, which is number 8, I hope you are getting it. Please always take down note. Remember the strategy we used. We first found the lowest common multiple of the denominators. If they are different denominators, we use it to divide the numerator and multiply it before we get our answer. Don't forget this strategy. Please comment if you like this strategy. Let's continue. Please, and follow me and watch till the end. Please, I'm begging you, please. Now, let's proceed. Let's proceed. Now, remember, when it is division, what do? We switch the top. We switch the top. This is division. So, what do we do here? We turn it to multiplication. And while we are turning it to multiplication, we have to switch the top. And it will be 3 over 7 times, we switch it, 6 over 2, which is 3 over 7 times 6 over 2, which is what we have here. This is 6 at the denominator. We now change the 6, put it at the top, and bring the 2 down so that we can do it. So we do 3 times 6. 3 times 6 will give us what? 18. Yes. 3 times 6 will give us 18. Over 7 times 2 will give us 14. We have 18 over 14, but we have to simplify it to the lowest term. How do we do it? How many times will you see 14 in 18? You can see 14 in 18 once. You can see it once. So you write one whole number. So when you see it once, 18 minus 14 will give us what? 18 minus 14 will give us what? It will give us what? 4. So we do 4 over 14. So how do you check if this is right? This is not right because we have to simplify again. When we simplify again, we have here, we break this 4, 2 in 4, we give us 2, 2 in 14, will give us 7. So our answer supposed to be 1 whole number 2 over 7. Why do we have 1 whole number 4 over 14 here? Because 14 times 1 will give us 14, plus 4 will give us 18. So that is how you get it. But you are not going to leave it at the high number. You have to split it and divide it by 2. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. 14 divided by 2 will give you 7. So we now have 1 whole number 2 over 7, which is your answer here. Now, let's continue. I hope you get it. If you are enjoying it, type fraction, fraction, fraction. We move. Fraction, we move. Now, let's progress to number 7, where we have 1 whole number 1 over 2 plus 2 whole number 2 over 3. How do we do that? How do we do that? We are going to convert to improper fraction. We have to convert to improper fraction. This is where it gets tricky a little bit. Now, see, this is 1 whole number 1 over 2, 1 whole number 1 over 2, plus 2 whole number 2 over 3. So how do we convert to improper fraction? We have to do it this way. 2 times 1, 2, plus 1, 3. 3 over 2, plus 3 times 2, 6, plus 2 will give us 8. 8 over 3. Before we now find their LCM, remember the strategy that we use here. You can use that strategy, or you can use 2 times 3, which will give you 6. So we have 3 plus 8, which will give you 11. How many times will you see 6 in 11? You can see 6 in 11 once. So what we do here, 1 whole number, 6 in 11, we see it once. 11 minus 6 will give us what? 5. 1 whole number, 5 over 6. Why do we have 1 whole number, 5 over 6? 6 times 1, 6, plus 5 will give us 11. So the answer is 11. And remember, this cannot be divisible because 2 cannot divide 5, and 2 can divide 6. So you can only use a number that can divide both the numerator and denominator at the same time without a reminder. So if you are loving this strategy, please put it down. Put it down. Don't forget. We are taking down notes. Now we are at the last one, which is number 8. 4 whole number 3 over 4 minus 2 whole number 1 over 2. We change it to improper fraction first because this is called mixed fraction. Now, since we are changing it to improper fraction, we are going to do the same thing we did here. 4 times 4 will give us what? 16. So 16 plus 3 will give us what? 19. So we do 19 over 4 minus 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 1 will give us 5. 5 over 2. So what is the lowest common multiple of the two denominators? 4 and 2 is 8. So we draw our line and put 8 here. So what do we do here? 8. We are going to use 8 to divide 4. If you use 8 to divide 4, you will get 2. Then you multiply your 19 by 2. 19 by 2 will give you here 9 plus 9 will give you 18. You write 8, carry 1 here. It will give you 38. You put your 38 minus 8 divided by 2 will give you 4. 5 times 4 will give you 20. So, as you can see, we have 38 minus 20, which is 38 minus 20 will give us 18 over 8. How many times do we see 8 in 18? I think we will see 8 in 18. 2 times is 16. So we are seeing 8 in 16, in 18, 2 times. So we have 2 whole number, 8. 18 minus 8 will give us 10. 8 times 2 will give you 8 times 2 will give you what will 8 times 2 give you? 16. 8 times 2 will give you 16. 16. There is a mistake here. 38 minus 20. Sorry. 38 minus 20 will give us 18. Yes. We have 18 over 8. 18 over 8. Now, to make it easier for us, instead of us to crack brain, we use this strategy. 2 here will give us what? 2 in 18 will give us 9. 2 here will give us 4. So which number can divide here and divide here without remainder? There is no number that can divide the 2 without remainder. So what will you do? What you will do is, how many times will you see 4 in 9? You will see 4 in 9 1 times. So if you see 4 in 9 once, so one whole number, 9 minus 4 will give you 5. 5 over 4. 4 times 1, 4, plus 5 will give you 9. So this is the final answer. Guys, I hope you guys enjoy this math. Now I'm going to give you an assignment that you will do for me and drop the answer in the comment section if you really enjoy this live. And don't forget to support me by sending stars. Follow me, share this live to different group that you belong to, and if you want me to grow, and you will remain blessed. Now it's over to you. Let me give you this assignment quickly. I'm giving you this 2 whole number 1 over 5 plus 3 whole number 2 over 4. Please solve this and drop the answer in the comment section. And maybe if you get hooked, please comment there, help me, then I will be right there. Thank you and see you in my next one. Bye.